This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to finish and attach the wings for my free Amigurumi pattern, Dante the Dragon. I've included a link to the pattern in the video description. At this point, your wing should be completed to the end of round 10. Let's crochet the scalloped edge of the wings together. You can go ahead and remove your stitch marker at this point. To create the scallops, we'll be pinching the final round of the wings together and crocheting through both sides of the round. To create the first scallop, chain 1, and then we're going to half double crochet through both the first stitch of the round and the last stitch of the round. So yarn over, then complete the half double crochet. Now we're going to double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Then slip stitch in the next stitch to complete the first scallop. We're going to repeat that sequence 3 more times across. Half double crochet, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, half double crochet, then slip stitch. Then you want to fasten off, leaving a 24-inch tail for sewing the wing to the body. Repeat this process for the other wing. Once you've completed both wings, the final step is to attach the wings to the back of your dragon. I like to mark out where I want to attach each wing with a disappearing ink marker. Thread the yarn tail of the first wing through a yarn needle. Then sew the wing to the mark on the back. Then secure with a knot and hide the tail inside the work. Repeat this process for the other side. Your dragon's wings are now attached. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!